Hi, my name is Mehul Shanghvi and I know Vasundhara Talware from almost 3 years. We had met in one of the seminars and I found her integrity to be very high. She's a person you can totally rely on. So we have worked together for almost a year where she helped me to reach my peak potential and stop procrastination. I used to procrastinate for my health, sometimes doing things. So she was of real help. She's a person you really want to work with. She's a yogini. Get her on board. See how she can help you, and you guys are going to have an awesome time. Thank you very much.